Welcome to the Sony Xperia Z2 accessory series of reviews, and this episode talks about magnetic cable charging. So it's very innovative, I would say, that because it comes with the nice the neon color. So once you charge, let me plug it and you will see that. So it's very handy that when you charge it, because you don't want to use it with your regular USB charging. The reason is because you have to open the flip cover most of the time, I mean all the time. Then basically it gets loosened, and eventually that you may need to replace it, or and also you need, I mean, you lose the waterproof feature. So the best solution is basically use this either charging deck or use this charging cable, magnetic charging cable. So that way, so you don't have to open that thing, so which you can find it on the side of it. So this is simple. Basically you connect the USB port, and then you just connect, because it's a magnetic, it gets stick into that, and that's it. You will hear the sound, and you will see the indicator. Basically see that the green light, so that means it's charging, and you see the light turns out to be red. So initially it was blue and red. That means it's like it is charging. At the same time, it tells that it is not fully charged. So once it's fully charged, then the light becomes blue, so that means it's done with that. And the fantastic part about this is you can choose the color of the light you want. So it's available in many colors, that the detail I given in the later part of the video. So which is a very good accessory that you have to have it, and the price is very cheap, and I got it through eBay with the free shipping. You can keep it one or two, so keep it handy for every room, I mean workplace and at home and so on. So these are, I strongly recommend this cable along with the charging deck. And yeah, that's about it for this cable. And thank you for watching, and please go through my the channel and other reviews and accessories. Thank you.